Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Silver. Today I wanted to do a morning skincare routine. It was requested by one of my viewers. So I'm going to do a two-part morning and nighttime skincare just because my nighttime is a little more extravagant. So my morning skincare only uses 3 products. If you're interested what I use before I apply my makeup every morning, then please keep watching. Good morning, everyone. So I'm just going to get my hair out of my face a little bit. And I have a washcloth here and some water. I didn't want to film this in my bathroom. So I like to get my face kind of damp before I wash. And in the morning, I will go back and forth with what I use, but right now I am using the Clear Morning Burst. This is a detoxifying facial cleanser. It says, wakes you up, cleans deep for visibly healthier skin. I do think it works, it smells good, and when I rub it into my face, it doesn't really suds up that much. It just feels kind of like, it feels good. It's kind of like lotiony. So what I like to do is circular motions when I wash my face. So I'm making sure I'm scrubbing my pores and getting everything clean. So I take my wet washcloth and I just wipe everything away. This is how I always do it in the bathroom too. I don't put my face in the water and splash it up. One, I'm not a good swimmer. I can't hold my breath while water is in my face, so I'm not trying to drown every morning. So I just use this washcloth. So once I have everything off, I don't always do a mask, but I thought for this video, why not show you what I do sometimes is put a mask on in the morning if I have extra time before I put any makeup on, or even if I'm doing a no makeup look, just to start my day. I will evaluate how my skin looks. So after I wash my face, I'm going to think, do I look dry? Do I look oily? Do I have breakouts? So right now my skin, I'm having a good skin day. It's pretty good. So on days like this, I will use just a glow mask. So this is the Herbivore. Is it gonna focus? There we go. It's a pineapple enzyme instant glow mask. So I really love this. And I have a little brush that I got from, it came with a Glam Glow mask. I don't know if all of them come with this little brush, but it's so handy because now this is the only thing I use to put on masks. So this is actually almost empty. Probably got 2 more uses out of it. And this one is a weird color and texture because I love a good clay mask that's green and it hardens, and that's how you know when it's time to take it off. And this one kind of looks like I'm just rubbing a cleanser on my whole face, but it's so good. Okay, this mask is going to stay on for 10 minutes, and then I am going to rinse it off. And I will be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes with this glow mask on, and I am going to take this off the same way that I take my face wash off. Just leaves your skin feeling very hydrated. skin looks really good today. So, I don't want my skin to be super wet when I put a moisturizer on. The moisturizer that I've been using for the last at least 2 months, this is Sunday Riley, which is some of the best products for your skin. It's expensive, but I will list down below how much everything costs, maybe too. This is the C.E.O. Protect and Repair Moisturizer. So this has vitamin C in it. It has a lot of other great things, and it is amazing. It smells like oranges. It smells like you just cut up an orange and like pureed it into this. So I like to put a decent amount. I kind of like get it on my neck as well. When I do my makeup, I don't like to do it right after this moisturizer because not that it doesn't feel greasy, but it needs like a good 45 minutes to like settle in because it is it's like thick and it's so moisturizing that if I put on makeup right after this, I'd be afraid that it'd be like sliding everywhere. Oh, it feels so good. And this just gives you the best clean canvas for your makeup. Your makeup is only going to look as good as your skin underneath of it. So if you're not taking care of your skin and you've got breakouts and texture and bumps and redness and then you put makeup on top, it's not going to apply as nicely and it's not going to look as nice because your skin underneath is a hot mess. So I like to make sure that I have a good clean slate for makeup. And I'm not going to do my makeup right away. I think I'm going to go to lunch. And then I will do my makeup, come back, show you how good it looks just for the ending of the video. But thank you so much for watching my morning skincare routine. There's only 3 products, which is pretty simple. And I'll be back for a nighttime skincare routine in my next video. Bye! Okay guys, I just finished my makeup and I think my skin underneath looks flawless because of this mask. So I say that 3 main things that I would suggest using before you apply your makeup in the morning: face wash, mask, moisturizer. And my moisturizer has vitamin C in it. If you can incorporate vitamin C somewhere else, if your moisturizer doesn't have it in it, then I would do like a vitamin C serum and then a moisturizer. I think that my makeup looks flawless after that routine this morning, so I'm going to zoom you in so you can see how good my skin looks underneath my makeup. Which it's kind of dark over here. I just think that my makeup applied beautifully today because of that mask. So I think these were all 3 essential things to be using in the morning: a face wash, a good mask, and a good moisturizer. And zoom you out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video, which will be a nighttime skincare routine. And if you want to see how I take my makeup off and the products I use to take care of my skin after, then stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys, thank you.